If this message reached you, it's not by accident, it's alignment. Welcome to the Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries healing portal, where discipline meets vision, where spirit meets action, and where you are no longer allowed to sit on your potential. This is not just about dreaming anymore. It's about becoming. Because Saturn asks you to take responsibility for the life you say you want, while Neptune is dissolving every false identity, every doubt, every fear that told you you couldn't have it. And Aries is saying now, move, choose, become. This is the energy of embodiment. This is the energy of self-leadership. This is the energy of turning vision into reality. And as we move through this portal together, I'm so excited to share that this energy has birthed something powerful. My new single, I Am the Dream Becoming True, will be released on all platforms this week, the week of April 20th. This song is more than music. It is an activation. It is a declaration. It is the sound of stepping fully into who you were always meant to be. As you listen, as you align, as you walk this journey with me, know this: you are not waiting on the dream anymore. You are becoming it. Let's step into today's portal together. Today's lesson is called Fully Align, Mind, Body, Spirit in Unity. Alignment is not a concept. It is a state of being. Saturn grounds your actions. Aries activates your body and movement. And Neptune aligns your spirit with your vision. When these three are in harmony, you experience full embodiment. Many people feel disconnected because different parts of them are moving in different directions. Their thoughts do not match their actions. Their intentions do not match their habits. This creates internal conflict. This lesson is about bringing all parts of yourself into alignment. Thinking, feeling, and acting in the same direction. When you do this, your energy becomes clear, powerful, and effective. Today brings a sense of integration. You may feel more balanced, more centered, and more connected to yourself. This is the result of the work that you've done. You are no longer fragmented. You are unified. And before you go, I want you to understand something. This channel, this space was not created randomly. It was created with intention to guide you through real transformation, not surface level motivation, but true embodiment. Every healing portal, every weekly reading, every message you receive here is designed to do one thing: help you align your vision with real action. Help you take spiritual awareness and turn it into lived reality. Help you become who you keep seeing in your mind. Because under this Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries energy, we are no longer just learning. We are becoming. Here's how to move with this channel so that you get the full activation. The Daily Healing Portal gives you the lesson, routines, and embodiment work. The weekly collective reading every Thursday shows you the energetic landscape. The Zodiac forecast breaks it down personally by sign. And when you combine all three, you don't just hear the message, you start to live it. And this week, we're taking things even deeper. My new single, I Am the Dream Becoming True, is being released on all platforms. This isn't just a song. This is your activation soundtrack. So here's your challenge, and I want you to really do this. When the song drops, which it has dropped. It dropped on the 20th. But I want you to play it in the morning as you set your intentions. Speak the words like a declaration. Move your body like you already are that version of you. And speaking about moving your body, I have an activation experience for the collective that you guys can participate in. This isn't just a dance. When I actually created this song, and once I got done, I danced for maybe 2 hours. Seriously, I danced for 2 hours to this song, moving my body. This is embodiment in motion. Saying the words. The dance is about transformation in real time. You start in your old energy, and the shift shifts into your becoming energy. So I want everyone within the sound of my voice I'm challenging you now. Try this. And I would love it, love it, love it. I'm even giving free readings to the winners of this challenge. Post it, and tag me in it. I'm going to watch each one. Let's get it. I feel you. Listen, find the song, dance to it, post yourself dancing to it. Feel that embodiment. Let's do it. Let's do it. And hey, guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. And thank you for taking your healing serious. Make sure you be gentle with yourself. Life is about the journey, not the destination. You're here. You are here now. Enjoy it to its fullest, my love. And this is Empress Shay. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.